What's up, guys? Today is a very, very, very special day, as you know. Merry Christmas. And we have none other than the 2020 D case to unbox. Here we go. Got the scissors. Most important part. Hey guys, let's get right into it. As you can see, we have the cars, and oh my, is this a super? Guys, I just found something. This is my first super that I've ever gotten in a case. Oh my, I just found that. It was right there. I just saw it. I had to pull it out. I've never gotten a super treasure hunt before. This is nuts, guys. Super treasure hunt, Porsche 918 Spider. Oh my. But I'll show that to you guys later. As you can see here, got the cars. Let's get the first cars. Twin Mill Gen E 2018 Ford Mustang GT. That is awesome. And 68 Chevy Nova. Mustang is so sick, guys. Let's look at the base. Mustang is really sick. Okay, next three. Okay, next three, we got 8 Crate, Roger Dodger, Tankinator, Sick Cars. Can't believe we got that super, guys. That is just nuts. Okay, got the Aston Martin Vulcan, Forward Force, and Twin Mill Gen E. This Vulcan is insane. This is really cool. As you know, it came out in green in the 2019 P case. I'll link to that peg hunting video in the description down below. That is probably going to be one of the most notable video. By the way, Porsche will not be in the most notable video. Only because it is a super and I don't want to open it. Okay, next up, got Batplane, new for 2020. I'll show you literature on the back. There it is. And then got head starter there, 22. There it is. And we have the super van. This one is pretty cool in the King of Hearts decorations. Next three. Okay. Chrysler Pacifica, Dodge Dart, and the Jeepster Commando. All carryovers from the C case. Not really much to see there. And okay, I see one that I'm looking for in the next little bit. Got the Volvo 850 Estate, another carryover from the C case. Cool car though. Let's look at the back. 5 doors. 5 doors, 5 cylinders. That's very odd. Swedish manufacturer, as you know, hopefully. Cruise Bruiser. And the Alpine A110 Cup. 36 on the side there. PR5 wheels. And okay, I think I see a big one in here. Guys, got the Robo Race Robocar there. I've actually had a chat on YouTube with the Robo Race company. I commented on their video. Pretty cool. They responded to me. Coolest interaction I've ever had on YouTube. So shout out to Robo Race. This may be in the most notable video. So we have the Aston Martin Vulcan. A second one. And oh boy, guys, here it is. the 16 Bugatti Chiron. I cannot believe I have this car. Finally. I was looking for it in the stores. Finally got it. Hopefully it'll be faster than the blue one. Hopefully I get two in this case. There's a look at the front, back. So it's not a review, so I think I'll just move on. But that will definitely be seen in the most notable video coming up maybe tomorrow, yeah. Diora 3 there, Cloak and Dagger, and the 65 Mustang convertible. That is sick. In blue, that is a carryover from the C case, but still sick. Okay, next cars. 92 Mustang. This is probably going to be the most notable. Chevy Impala 64. I think that's a carryover from the C case, but I'm not 100% sure. Then we have the custom 01 Acura Integra GSR in purple. As you know, that is an awesome car. Comes out early almost every year. Pink rims there. Really interesting card art. Or not card art, but art on the car. Surprised it isn't part of the art cars set. Pretty cool. Two more right here. We got the Poison Arrow and the Jeepster Commando. Poison Arrow is pretty cool. And okay, I think I see another one that's gonna be good. Ford Escort RS 1600, Radical Racer, and the Honda Civic Type R. There it is. Honda Civic Type R. Part of the Honda set, number 2 of 5. From 2018, this is in the 2016 version. 2016 version's in the camouflage set, but this one, absolutely sick. And then 3 more in the first half of the case. The Street Stealth, 20 for the race day set. Skull Shaker, and the 64 Chevy Impala. I do not know what the regular treasure hunt is for this case, so comment down below, please. It would be highly appreciated. Then we move into the next half here. And I see another Bugatti in there, so that's good. Cruise Bruiser, another Robo-Race Robo-Car, and the Moon Eyes Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Sick there. That is really sick. Moon Eyes Beetle. Pardon. I really wish Hot Wheels did a Moon Eyes set. That would be really cool. Okay, next 3 here. Total Disposal, garbage truck. Kind of cool. Literature on the back. Speed Driver. That is cool. For the Xpera Motors set. Sort of like the Tooligan, but it sort of looks based off the Mountain Mauler for some reason. And then we have the Porsche Carrera from '96. Really cool car. I think people keep stealing these from Walmart. It's really weird, at least in my area. I've seen about 3 of these in like 3 different Walmarts in dump bins. And I've either just seen the card or the plastic. And I know that I've seen the plastic of the Porsche Carrera because the glue takes the name onto the plastic, so I know that it was the plastic from the Porsche Carrera. Really cool car, came out in the G case last year. Okay. And 2008 Lancer Evolution X-Racers beat all. That's interesting. And another 65 Mustang convertible. And, okay, we got the Manga tuner. Again, literature on the back. So, this is basically a spin on the Mad Manga. Sort of fat, tall version. Doesn't exactly look like it would be good on the Super Ultimate Garage, but it'll be good on the 6-lane. Ford Ranger Raptor there. Beautiful car. They'll probably be seeing this in the most notable. This case has actually been pretty good. So many good new castings. And then Nerf Hammer there, part of the Trackstar set. The thing that I find cool about the card art on the Trackstars in 2020 is that it actually has a piece of orange track that the car is driving off of. And I think that's pretty cool. But that's just me. You can comment your opinion down below. Got another 96 Porsche Carrera, Lancer Evolution, and the Rip Rod. I honestly find this Rip Rod pretty cool. Part of the Dream Garage set, number 9 of 10. Get out the next 3. Another 2018 Ford GT. Another Speed Driver. And another Volvo 850 Estate. Oh, these are new in the cases in 2020. Never really seen that before. Get the next 6 out here. Alpine A110 Cup, Chrysler Pacifica, Ford Escort RS 1600. And those are sick. Alpine you'll probably be seeing in the most notable. I'm putting my favorites in one pile that are probably going to be in the most notable. And then others in another pile. Got the Rockin' Santa sled. That is a really cool car. I have one opened already. And you can see that little notch in the wheel. When it rolls, it makes Santa shake in there. New for 2020. Oh, and I'm dropping it. Shakes. Santa's ditched the reindeer for a sled with some horsepower, and as he rocks through the night, it'll be anything but silent. Pretty cool. And then a Moto wing. Cool. And a Mazda REPU, new casting, Urban Outlaw. Pretty cool. Let's look at the front. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we got BMW UK 1300R. Another Forward Force, again part of the Trackstar set. And 68 Dodge Dart. Another Manga tuner, head starter, and a Roger Dodger. 2 tuned cars right there. 2 tuned cars out of 3 cars there. And okay, final 6 cars in the case. We have Surf and Turf, Skull Shaker, 8 Crate, and what better way to cap it off than with a couple of my favorites. 68 Chevy Nova, 16 Bugatti Chiron again, and Super Van. Anyways, guys, now that's the case. I'll show you my highlights, and Okay, guys, that should wrap up this video. Hope I didn't clip some of my highlights. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays. Goodbye. Okay, guys, so these are my top 9 cars of the case. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree. I would really like to know your guys' opinion on this. Like, one thing that this is probably the best case I've ever opened, but if I could change one thing, I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get the regular version of the Porsche, but at the same time, I am very happy that I got the Super. I don't know what the basic treasure hunt is for this case though, so I'm gonna have to go look online at that. That and the Bugatti. As you know, this thing is just so sick. Guys, those are probably my 2 favorites, and then you can look at the other 7 right there. Anyways, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and happy holidays. Peace.